The Scottish Clan MacGowan, also known as MacGowin, MacCowan, and MacGowan, has a long and fascinating history dating back to the 14th century. The clan was originally based in the area around the River Nith in Dumfries and Galloway, and was recorded in historical documents in the mid-1300s. The clan's captainship was acquired by Donald Edzear from King David II of Scotland, cementing the MacGowan's place as an important and influential clan in the region. The MacGowans were closely associated with Galloway, which at the time had no solid distinction between the various names associated with the clan, including McCowan, McEwen, McCowan, McCowan, and MacGowan. One theory regarding the origin of the MacGowan name suggests that it may be derived from the name Owen the Bald, who was a king of the Strathclyde Britons and was killed in 1018. It is believed that the name MacCowan may have originated in the Kirkconnel area, where Robert the Bruce had a company of MacCowans in the Upper Nith district. Over time, the MacGowan clan spread out more widely and sparsely across Scotland, with members settling in areas such as Stirling, Fife, and Glasgow, as well as Dumfries and Galloway. Despite the dispersion of the clan, the MacGowans remained a tight-knit community, bound by their shared history, traditions, and cultural heritage. In the modern era, the MacGowan clan has become famous thanks in part to the musician Shane MacGowan, best known as the lead singer of the Pogues. Born in Kent, England, to Irish parents, Shane MacGowan has Irish and Scottish ancestry, and has embraced his heritage through his music and lyrics.